Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Sunday morning, October the 19th. Figure we just take it easy this morning. Hey, temperature this morning is 64 degrees, 93% humidity, and rain, and the winds bound southeast at 9 miles per hour this morning. Looking at high temperature yesterday with a high of 81 degrees and a low of 53. And as far as your hazardous outlook, I've been keeping an eye on it here. We're looking at wind advisory remains in effect from early this morning until noon today. And the wind is going to be out in the south at 15 to 25 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 40 miles per hour expected. Looking at a cold front across the area this morning, resulting in showers and gusty winds and also falling temperatures in the forecast. Looking at high pressure will briefly build in for forecast on Monday. Then another cold front moves in through on Tuesday. And this will result in the below normal temperatures, what we usually expect for this time of year. Now let's take a look at the forecast over the next few days and what you can expect as you maybe head out the door this morning. For your Sunday forecast, looking at showers and possibly thunderstorms, temperatures falling to around 51 degrees by 5 p.m. this evening, and the winds will be out of the west at 16 to 18 miles per hour. Wind gusts as high as 31 miles per hour today, and looking at 100% chance of rain. New rainfall amounts between a quarter and a half inch possible today. And then for your Sunday night forecast, showers likely mainly before 8 p.m., otherwise cloudy during the early evening, and then gradually clearing with a low around 37 degrees. Winds be out of the west at 7 to 13 miles per hour, and looking at a 60% chance of rain, and new rainfall amounts less than a tenth of an inch possible. And then for those of you that have to go back to work on Monday, sunny with a high of 63 degrees, winds bound southwest at 9 miles per hour. Monday night, looking at a slight chance of a shower sometime after 2 a.m., mostly clear with a low around 46. Winds be out of the south at 10 miles per hour with wind gusts as high as 24 miles per hour. Now, I'm only looking at a 20% chance of rain Monday night. Tuesday, mostly sunny with a high of 62 degrees. Winds be out of the west at 15 miles per hour. And then Tuesday night, partly cloudy with a low around 40 degrees. Moving into midweek for Wednesday, mostly sunny skies with a high near 55 degrees. Wind's going to be out of the west at 15 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, looking at partly cloudy skies with a low temperature of 35 degrees. And Thursday, looking at sunny skies with a high of only 56 degrees. Wind's going to be out of the west at 11 miles per hour. And then your Thursday night forecast, mostly clear skies with a low around 31 degrees. Brr. All right, not ready for that. Hey, please be sure to share and like the video. For this will help us out getting the weather forecast out to everyone. And if you're watching this for the first time, please be sure to join the channel. And you can find us on Facebook or on YouTube as well. Stay safe and have a good day, and we'll keep an eye on things today, and if anything changes, we'll let you know. I'm Jim Scott from Wayne County, Indiana Skyward. Thanks for being a part of it this morning.